Γεια σου. Λέγομαι Αλέξο Παύλο. Εγώ είμαι 42 χρονών. Μετακομισής στην Κύπρο, στην Πάφο. Εγώ γεννήθηκα στο Κίεβο. Learning Greek, it's like build startup. You do small steps every day. If you do, you get result. All my life, I try to build a business. But in 2017, my life is changing. First time I bought BTC. And I believe that one day all people use a crypto. In 2021, I get one more opportunity. I relocated my family and all my company to Cyprus. In 2018, I started business, Kauri Finance. It's EU wallet with the cards and IBANs. It's still growing, profitable, and give me a freedom to invest in my next step, Xono. But let's talk about problem. The crypto market is growing fast. The financial system is changing. US, bill about stable coin. EU, MiCA. Regulatory is almost ready, but infrastructure is not. Banks don't accept crypto. Legacy system don't understand how work. We want to fix it. We built a modular banking grade infrastructure. We use the same stack what banking use, but for crypto. It's not about soft only. It's about license too. We already have a license in EU. We start in process in US, UK. We apply more than 20 licenses. We needed all of this to be security and compliant. But every application, every startup built a people. This my people. This my team. They come with the experience from banking, IT, and give me a freedom to build my product. Xono already have MVP. First case, with my friend and partner, worldwide heavyweight champion, Alexander Usyk, we built together crypto card ready to pay. Case 2, with a gaming platform Ganzilla, with 15 million active users. All of them use our wallet. And soon they get other service, ID, verification, crypto cards, acquiring. The market is huge, but I think we're only in beginning. And I believe that one day all people use a crypto, and we unlock this market to the business. Ευχαριστώ. I'm ready to question.
You can use microphone or just...
Hi, thank you for the presentation. I'm just curious, because I already use Gnosis Pay, for example. What's the goal of Xono? Are you gonna issue like a stable coin into the future to be regulated by MiCA? Are you moving outside of Europe? How is your goal for the next few years?
Thank you very much for your question. It's a very good question because if you want to issue stablecoin, you need MEI, Electronic Money Institution. This is only one type of license what they give to you this reason and give to you this to-do chance. We don't know we issue or not, but we are ready to work with this because we apply this type of license. And we know for sure that in the future, many private companies create his private money. Walmart want to do this. Many regulators want to do, and our infrastructure is ready for this. This for what we build it.
Yeah, a little bit technical question. What is the blockchain generation do you use? On which blockchain it's based on?
I love Solana because this guy's from Ukraine. I know it very well. He's my friend too.
Solana base.
Yep.
So
No. We created our own blockchain, and we use different blockchain. We have top 10 blockchain inside in our system. Top 10. When we see somebody do more better than before, we connect it to our system.
And how do you manage all the, all the services for like staking and changing?
Oh,
whatever?
this question for my CTO, but I can answer.
No,
I can answer.
yeah, I mean,
I
like,
can answer. We have
If you have it, it's good. If not, we can skip
But
it
I
like
can.
later. Okay.
I know. We create crypto processing. We create in our site. We connect it to each blockchain, and all blockchain is different. Ton is very interesting. XRP is very interesting. BTC, it's like slowly, but it's gold in crypto, and it's good. It's good.
And if I may also, I mean, there's a lot of big names in that space or expressing intention to get in the space. What's your moat? What do you do differently? How do you see your sustainable advantage in this?
How we work with the risk?
No, how do you, what's your sustainable advantage? What's your moat? How are you going to be able to stand against much kind of bigger names that are coming into that space?
The first one, what the name we needed? We needed banks. I speak with the many banks, with the many different banks. And before we get first bank like clients, it's not to be such as this is because I hope that all banks use a crypto and propose for his client. But what they tell me when we speak, our business is credit. This is the main things in his business. We worry, we scary. If we start to work with the crypto, it's a big risk for our company, for our business. And we worry about start to work. If somebody come with us to crypto, that's what we create. We create it on the same language, on the same stack, with the same licensing, with liquidity inside, with the same API. We buy processing from Tieta. Tieta is the biggest processing center. His company from 1965, and we buy his experience, his tools, and build our crypto processing in the same way. That's what I tell to banks, but they still wait. And for me, the big name, what we needed like client, is the banks. I try to speak on Money 2020 with the Chase. This is my target. I speak with the Barclays. I speak with the different banks. When Usyk have a fight, some banks come to the meeting. We have a skybox there. We have a meeting there. I try. I'm startupper. I always try, and I sure and know that I can.
I like the figures of 3 million in revenue for the last year. Can you tell me why these 3 million you get in revenue and why customers are choosing you instead of your competitors? Why?
Why?
Why? The reason why? Why
they come on?
Yeah, yeah. Why they put the 3
Because
million?
it's simple. You put USDC and pay anywhere where MasterCard accepted. It's easy way to use the crypto for everyday living.
And why you feel so confident that this revenue will returns to you this year, the next year, and in comparing to the AI landscape of development new product that easily can be copycat, etc.
We create one more product in Kauri Finance. We have algorithmic trading inside platform. We give 2.5% per month. It's not guarantee, but it's very good. It look like banks because banks have free products: credit, deposit, and transaction. For now we have only transaction revenue. But next year, and we already have asset management license, and we already have a period where we see this percent, it's more than 1 year, we propose it for our client. That's how we want to do revenue more better in the next year. But yesterday, I very like what Yulia Levin tell. And what I do in the next stage, I cut some functionality and I focus on the main things: cards, IBANs, like bank wire, and these bots for like asset management, you can put it and get 2.5
Alex,
per month.
Alex, thank you.
Thank you.
Time is up.